What's up, dear viewers? Today I will show you how to solve the error or corrupt USB. The file or directory is corrupted or cannot be found. So I have really important files in this USB and I'm getting this error. The file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix that. So type cmd, search cmd, and you will click command prompt and then run as an administrator. So you need to type you copy the following command. So type chk for check and dsk for disk, space, and then stroke f, and then space. The name of your USB or directory is f, USB f. So I will type f. I will type F and then full colon and then hit enter. So it is checking the error in my USB, because if I lose the data, it will really cost me. So I just give it a few, like 3 minutes to complete the search. So you can see lost chain, cross link, cluster, often truncated. So I'll just wait for some 3 minutes. Almost through. My computer is fixing the error in my USB. So about one more minute. As you can see, I can see the size of my disk E, but the USB drive F, I can see it's being it's there, but I don't even know the size of my USB. Okay, so cross lost chains to file, Y for yes, and N for no. I'm hitting enter, that's why there's that question mark. So you need to type yes. So convert lost chains to files. So type Y for yes, and then you can see, oh my God, now my file has miraculously opened. So that's how you can fix that errors. So you can see I have all those files. Thanks.